Hello students, in this video I'll be talking about another important function called logarithmic function. Okay, now what exactly is logarithm? Now before I go there, I'd like to ask a few questions like uh, let's say I have a number 10,000. इस 10,000 को किस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता हूँ? 10 raised to what number will give me 10,000? The obvious answer is 4. 10 raised to 4 is 10,000. How else can I represent it? This is let's say 100. 100 raised to 2 will give me 10,000, right? Now, what exactly is logarithm? When I ask you, when I write log of 10,000, I want you to find the log of 10,000 to the base 10. The question you need to ask is 10 raised to, this is the base, 10 raised to what number will give you this number 10,000? 10 raised to what number will give you 10,000? The answer is 4. So log of 10,000 to the base 10 is 4. Similarly, log of 10,000 to the base 100, what would that be? What is the question that you need to ask? 100, this is the base, 100 raised to what number will give you 10,000? So 100 raised to 2 will give you 10,000. That is the logic of logarithm. Okay, now let's look at some more examples. Let's say log of 64 to the base 2. What's the question that you need to ask? The question that you need to ask is what number raised to 2 will give you 64? So what is that number? That is 6. Okay, 2 raised to 6 is 64. Okay, log of 64 to the base 4. Log of 64 to the base 4. What is that? That is 3. 4 raised to 3 is 64. Okay, now these are just a couple of examples to make you understand what logarithm is about. Now, a special type of logarithmic function is the natural log. Natural log is when the base is equal to e, which is Euler's number. So natural log logarithmic function would be f of x is equal to log of x to the base e. Okay, log of x to the base e, and this is again represented by ln of x. Okay, this can be represented by ln of x. Whenever I write ln of x, that basically means I'm asking you what is the log of x to the base e. All right, this is called natural logarithm. Right, now let's look at some important properties of logarithmic functions. The first one that you need to know is log of x plus log of y is equal to log of xy. All right. Second is log of x minus log of y would be equal to log of x over y. I hope you understood this. I'll give you an example for both of them. Let's say I ask you what is log of 32 to the base 2 plus log of let's say 16 to the base 2. So what is the question here? Log of 32 to the base 2 would be 6, and log of 16 to the base 2 would be 4. So the answer should be 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. Okay, now what if I use this one? What is 32 into 60? What is 32 into 16? Log of 32 into 16. 32 can be written as 2 raised to 6 multiplied by 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. So this becomes log of 2 raised to log of 2 raised to 10 to the base 10. So here the answer is quite clear that log of 2 raised to 10 to the base 2 is of course 10. Okay. Now similarly you could do the same thing for the difference of logs. The third important point is log of x raised to n is a number, would be equal to n log of x. Okay, this power comes out, ये आगे के कोएफिशिएंट बन जाता है. ठीक है. One good example is log of like 32 to the base 2 would be log of 2 to the base or 2 raised to 6 to the base 2, and this would be equal to 6 log of 2 to the base 2. Okay, now you could see that here also you'll get the answer 6, and here also you'll get the answer 6, because log of 2 to the base 2 should be equal to 1. All right, next if the base has a power, let's say log of x to the base m raised to n, the base is m raised to n. Okay, then this value would be 1 upon n. The power of the base comes to the denominator. Okay, and 1 upon n log of x to the base m. Now you could generalize these two by just writing log of x raised to a to the base m raised to b. So the coefficient, the power of this number would come at the numerator पे आ जाएगा, and the power of the base would be at the denominator, and you'll get log of x to the base m. Alright, ये कुछ फंक्शन, ये जो कुछ बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज है जो तुम्हें मालूम होने चाहिए लॉगरिथम के, जो फिजिक्स में यूज होगा. नाउ मैथ स्टूडेंट्स, लॉगरिथम को काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिटेल में तुमको पढ़ाया जाएगा, हमें उतना फिजिक्स में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं. ये बेसिक कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज मालूम होने चाहिए, उसके अलावा और कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके, तो द सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो हमें याद रहना चाहिए, दैट इज द नेचुरल लॉग फंक्शन विच इज y इज इक्वल टू ln ऑफ x. ओके, नाउ logarithmic function is related to exponential function, especially this one natural log. वो कैसे related है वो देखते हैं. ठीक है, what would be ln of e raised to x? बहुत बार आएगा ये ln of e raised to x. ln of e raised to x using the property कि ये पावर आगे चल जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा ये, this would be x ln of e to the base x ln of e. Now what do you mean by ln of e? It is log of e to the base e. So e raised to what number will give you e? That is 1. Okay, so this answer would be x into 1, which is equal to x. Alright, I hope you understood this. तो रिप्लिक बताता हूँ वापस इस चीज़ को. तो ln of e raised to x will be equal to x. The basic idea is कि ln of या log of x to the base x will be equal to 1, क्योंकि x raised to 1 will give you x. Okay, तो ln of e raised to x is equal to x. ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सा फॉर्मूला है जो तुमको मालूम होना चाहिए. Now the other one is e raised to ln x. E raised to ln x is also equal to x. I'll try to prove this. Let's say e raised to ln x is equal to y. e raised to ln x is equal to y. अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, दोनों तरफ LHS एंड RHS पे log लगा लेता हूँ. तो ln of e raised to ln x will be equal to ln of y. I hope you understood this. e raised to ln x is equal to y. तो ln of e raised to ln x is equal to ln of y. ओके, तो यूज दैट प्रॉपर्टी. ये देखो, इस नंबर का जो पावर है वो ln x है, तो वो किधर आ जाएगा, बाहर. तो ln x इंटू ln x इंटू ln ऑफ e इज इक्वल टू ln ऑफ y. और ln ऑफ e क्या होगा, 1. सो ln x इज इक्वल टू ln y, मतलब x इज इक्वल टू y. तो इधर से क्या मिल गया मैं कि e रेस टू e raised to ln x is also equal to x. Okay, that was logarithmic function and its relation with exponential function. आगे के वीडियोस में आई विल बी शोइंग यू हाउ टू प्लॉट ऑल दीज फंक्शंस. ठीक है, ग्राफ कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं. ओके, ऑल दी फंक्शंस लाइक लीनियर फंक्शंस, क्वाड्रेटिक फंक्शंस, inverse functions, and exponential and logarithmic functions. All right.